Dear colleagues, dear young leaders, change makers from around the world, greetings and good morning. Thank you to AFS for bringing together this impressive global community. As a knowledge partner of AFS Intercultural Programs, UNESCO is quite committed to empowering and elevating the voices of young global citizens in all areas of our work. Your voices, your ideas, your actions come actually at a critical juncture in the international agenda. We are 1 month away from the UN Summit of the Future, which rightly features youth, peace and security as key themes. Building peace has been central to UNESCO's mission since our founding in 1945 in the aftermath of the Second World War. Nearly 8 years later, we are once again seen as swell of hatred, intolerance and armed conflict, unfortunately. From Ukraine to Gaza, we are witnessing unprecedented violence that is disrupting all areas of life, including, of course, education. Millions of children have been deprived of their right to education as they are displaced by conflict. These disruptions have implications both for current and future generations. We cannot continue down this path. Education is one of the most powerful tools we have to shape the future, as we all know. And we need the young people from all around the world to work together to reactivate peace in through education. Peace lies at the very core of education, with the potential to foster intercultural understanding, to bring tolerance at the core of our programs and attitudes, and to bring respect for diversity as the main common behavior. Education is crucial also for building and sustaining peace. The vision lies at the heart of an important normative instrument that member states of UNESCO recently adopted, and is quite important and can really be our roadmap for the future. This is the recommendation on education for peace, human rights and sustainable development, adopted by our 194 member states just last November. It reminds us of the transformative power of education for equipping young people with the knowledge, the skills and the attitudes and values to tackle the greatest challenges of our times, from climate change to the digital revolution, to be steered and not to be driven by, to violent conflict. I urge you to carry forward the momentum of the next few days in the final lead up to the Pact for the Future. This is essential, dear young leaders and change makers, because you are the future and this is about your future. Your voices, and education are vital for shaping peaceful, just and inclusive futures. UNESCO is proud to work with youth organizations such as AFS to ensure that every young people in the world realize their right to quality education. Very, very much all means all for us, for peace, security, sustainability, and global citizenship. I thank you very much.